Hi friends, I welcome you all to another video on do's and don'ts when chemical injury occurs to the eye. In this video, we will see some important first aid measures which can save your eyes. A chemical injury is an emergency. Damage to the eye can occur within few minutes after the exposure to the chemical. If proper first aid measures are taken, we can minimize the damage to the eyes and avoid blindness due to the chemical injury. Depending on the chemical and the degree of exposure, the potential for injury can range from temporary redness and irritation to blindness. Chemical injuries that can happen at home are most likely to cause by disinfectants, solvents, cosmetics, drain cleaners, detergents, etc. Chemicals can be classified into acids and alkalines. These are few examples of acid and alkali that we handle in our daily life. So which is more dangerous to eye? Acid or alkali? The answer is alkaline. These chemicals cause the worst damage to the eye than the acids. These include ammonia, drain cleaners, washing detergents. Alkali cause deeper ocular penetration and hence cause more damage to eye tissue than acids. Whereas, acid coagulates protein in the eye and forms a protective barrier for deeper entry of acids. Symptoms of chemical injury to eye includes swelling of eyelids, pain, redness, watering, and blurring of vision. It affects cornea of the eye causing damage and it can lead to perforation of cornea. It can also increase pressure inside the eye and also cause retinal damage. Let us see some precautions to be followed in case of chemical injury to eye. If your eye is exposed to chemicals, the most important way you can limit the damage is to start flushing the eye with water immediately. You should begin to rinse the eye with a continuous stream of water as soon as possible. It is best to use cool running water and to continue to rinse for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This is very important to remove the trace of chemical and to restore the pH of the eye. Always wear safety glasses when you are using hazardous chemicals. By wearing eye protective equipments, we can avoid the splash injury to the eye. If you are wearing a contact lens, try to remove them as soon as possible. Consult an ophthalmologist immediately for further management of the condition. Follow the prescribed medicines regularly. Do not rub the eyes as it can worsen the damage to the eyes. Do not mix other chemical to neutralize the spilled chemical. It is very dangerous to the eye. Let us see what safety precautions to be followed while using these chemical products. Check the chemicals label and its safety instructions for information on safe handling. Strictly follow the manufacturer's instructions. Hazardous chemicals can be replaced with less toxic options whenever possible, or you may be able to buy the same chemical in a less dangerous form. I hope you liked the video. For more eye-related videos, subscribe to my channel. Keep watching.